The next clogging step is a two-step, and this is actually the basic step without the double toe. I'm going to show you from the side. You're going to just pick up your left foot, just kind of throw it forward or kick it forward, swing it forward, and take 3 baby steps. Step, rock, step. Now swing your right foot forward, don't hit the floor. Just kick it or swing, step, rock, step. Left foot, swing, step, rock, step. Right foot, swing, step, rock, step. So don't hit the floor. You don't want to go. That's a big no-no. Okay, don't hit the floor. Because that would be a brush and you're not brushing and you're not doing any part of a double toe. You're just going swing, 1, 2, 3, swing, 1, 2, 3, swing, step, rock, step, swing, step, rock, step. Now to the front. Those are called two steps. I don't know why they're called two steps. It's actually 3 steps, but here we go. 4 2 steps. Ready, go. Swing, step, rock, step, swing, step, rock, step, swing, step, rock, step, swing, step, rock, step. Because we got forward, we're going to do 4 toe heels backing up. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, and 4 more. Toe, heel, and then do 4 2 steps. Swing, step, rock, step, swing, step, rock, step, swing, step, rock, step. 8 toe heels back up. Toe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now with the music, 2 steps and 8 toe heels. Remember, don't hit the floor on the swing. 5, 6, 4, 2 steps, go. Swing, step, rock, step, swing, step, rock, step, swing, step, rock, step. 8 toe heels back up. 4 2 steps, and step, rock, step, and step, rock, step, and step, rock, step. 8 toe heels back up. 4 2 steps. Eight toe heels back up. 4 2 steps. Swing, 1, 2, 3. Swing, 1, 2, 3. 8 toe heels back up. Okay, now on the counting, it's 2 full counts, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and that's called a 2-step. It's actually step, rock, step, step, rock, step. It's the basic with no double toe.